Imagine a place where erupting volcanoes blaze beside shimmering glaciers, where the sky lights up in dancing green auroras, and where nature performs with unmatched drama every single day. This isn't a fantasy. This is Iceland, a land sculpted by fire and chiseled by ice, where every corner whispers a myth, every trail leads to magic, and every experience awakens the explorer within. Iceland, the planet's wildest canvas. Iceland isn't just a destination. It's an emotion, a sensation, a raw, unfiltered connection to the Earth's untamed soul. Located on the edge of the Arctic Circle, this Nordic island nation is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes on the planet. It's a land where nature has free reign. Rivers cut through lava fields, geysers erupt with ancient energy, and glaciers stretch into the sea like frozen rivers from a forgotten world. Here, you don't just see nature, you feel it. In the steam of a geothermal hot spring, in the crackle of lava beneath your feet, in the hush of a snow-covered mountain. Welcome to Iceland, where Earth puts on a show like nowhere else. Geology and natural wonders, fire meets ice. The duality of nature. Iceland lies atop the mid-Atlantic ridge, straddling two tectonic plates. This geological positioning makes it one of the most volcanically and geothermally active places on Earth. At the same time, it boasts massive glaciers that cover more than 10% of the country. Volcanoes, Hekla, Katla, Eyjafjallajökull, names that stir the imagination and sometimes air traffic. Glaciers, Vatnajökull, Europe's largest, Langjökull, and Mýrdalsjökull dominate the Icelandic landscape. The Golden Circle. This popular tourist route packs some of the country's most iconic sites into one-day trip from Reykjavik. Thingvellir National Park, where you can walk between two continents, literally, at the tectonic plate boundary. Geysir Hot Springs area, home of the original geyser and the ever-erupting Strákur. Gullfoss. Waterfall, a breathtaking two-tiered waterfall that crashes into a deep canyon with ferocious power. The north, land of whales and midnight sun, Akureyri, and surrounding beauty. Akureyri, Iceland's second-largest city, offers charm, culture, and jaw-dropping surroundings. Botanic Gardens and Church of Akureyri, perfect for a leisurely stroll with mountain views. Nearby Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall, thundering through a dramatic canyon. Whale watching in Húsavík. Often dubbed the whale-watching capital of Europe, Húsavík offers unforgettable sightings. Humpbacks, minkas, and blue whales, frequent visitors to these rich northern waters. Eco-tours, operated with respect for the environment and marine life. The South Coast, waterfalls, black sand, and ice caves. Waterfall Wonderland. Iceland's south coast is a land of waterfalls, each more magical than the last. Seljalandsfoss, step behind the curtain of water for a surreal view. Skogafoss, a 60-meter-high powerhouse that often glimmers with rainbows. Black sand beaches of Vik Beach is famous for its basalt sea stacks, towering rocks with Norse mythology roots. Jet black sands and crashing waves, otherworldly, and a photographer's paradise. Ice cave, exploration. Between November and March, glacier caves open for exploration. Vatnajökull's crystal caves, translucent blue chambers carved by meltwater. Guided tours, essential for safety and preservation. The East Fjords, remote, rugged, and radiant, untouched wilderness. Far fewer tourists venture east, making it a perfect escape. Seyðisfjörður, a colorful village wrapped in mountains, rich in art and history. Hengifoss, one of Iceland's tallest waterfalls, framed by layers of red volcanic rock, wildlife encounters. Reindeer, the only region where wild reindeer roam freely. Seabirds and puffins, abundant along the dramatic coastal cliffs. The west and Snæfellsnes Peninsula, Iceland in miniature. Eyjafjallajökull National Park, home to the glacier-capped volcano that inspired Jules Verne's journey to the center of the Earth. Lava fields and coastal arches, like Arnarstapi's cliff walks and Djúpalónsandur Beach. Snæfellsjökull Glacier, a mystical, cone-shaped volcano that dominates the skyline. Eyjafjallajökull, the most photographed mountain located near Grundarfjörður. Eyjafjallajökull rises in perfect symmetry with a waterfall foreground. A dream for photographers and Instagrammers alike. Adventure and wellness. Reconnect with the elements, hiking and trekking. Laugaveggur Trail, a multi-day trek through Rainbow Mountains and geothermal valleys. Hornstrandir Nature Reserve, remote, wild, and untouched by roads. Geothermal wellness, hot springs. Galore, Secret Lagoon, Reykjavík, Steam Valley, Mývatn nature baths. Float therapy and sauna rituals, gaining popularity in Iceland's spa resorts. Sustainability and eco-conscious travel green energy nation. Almost 100% renewable energy, thanks to hydropower and geothermal plants. Carbon neutral ambitions. Iceland is a global leader in sustainability efforts. Traveling responsibly, leave no trace, respect the fragile moss, lava formations, and thermal areas. Support local. Choose Icelandic-owned guesthouses, eateries, and artisans. Iceland, where the earth breathes. In Iceland, you don't just visit landscapes, you become part of them. The thunder of a waterfall echoes in your chest. The glow of the northern lights etches into your soul. The warmth of geothermal steam on your skin feels like an ancient embrace. This is a place that challenges, calms, excites, and transforms. Iceland is not just the land of fire and ice. It's the land of awe and wonder, of sagas and silence, of primal energy and modern magic. Whether you come for the adventure, the serenity, or the surreal beauty, one thing is certain. Iceland will stay with you long after you've left its shores.